Today we are going to try a different kind of mindfulness exercise. You will need an object that you will place in your hand, so you can do that right now, and then come back. Okay, so let's prepare by sitting comfortably, closing our eyes, and inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Take one more deep cleansing breath in and slowly release. As you are sitting comfortably in your space with an object in your hand, I want you to feel the object in your hand, open your eyes, and turn your focus to the object. As you focus on the object, make sure your thoughts remain only on the object. If you notice any other thoughts sneaking in, push them away and return your focus to the object. Notice what the object looks like. Pay attention to the colors. Notice all of the textures on the object. Does it have different textures, all in one texture, or is it all in one texture? Is it smooth, rough, bumpy, or grooved? Focus your eyes on only the object, pushing away all other thoughts and things around you. As you look at the object, pay attention to your feelings. What feelings do you notice? Why do you think you're having this feeling right now in this moment? What does the object stir up in your body and mind? Roll your fingers over the object, taking in all of its surfaces, nooks, crannies, colors, and edges. What are you noticing about this object for the first time?